So today I want to talk about charging our Seestar. So we all know that the Seestar comes with this little adapter for charging, and we just plug it in, and it has a USB on the other end like this, and then we can plug it into a wall outlet like that, and you see it is charged, it's fully charged. So if it was not, these lights would be blinking on the front of the Seestar, and it would show you. So if one was blinking, it was very low on battery life, and then it progresses until they're all full. But that's just plugging it in with the cord that came with it. And now what I want to do is I want to try some other cords, because sometimes things happen to cords, and we want to find out if we can do other kinds. This cord I have here, it's a really short one, maybe 5 inches long, but it has the same C port right there, USB-C, and it fits right in the Seestar. Let's see if I can get it close enough over here to where I can actually plug it into the wall. It's gonna be tight. It's not very long. Let's see if we can plug it in. There we go. And you see it's charging there too. It doesn't have a really great connection because it's loose, because it's so short and I'm pulling it so tight. So that's that one. And this one I just got off of, I think I got it off of Temu or one of those sites, but you can see on this one that the cord is really kind of frayed. So I wouldn't want to use this one in the regular scheme of things because it's compromised there. But it would work if it was new and in better condition. But the cord is so short that it would be hard to reach an outlet. So let's try this one. This cord came with my Paperwhite tablet from Amazon that I read books on, and it fits in there as well. And so let's see if we can get this one. This one is tied up. It's not short, it's just tied up. And so you see that it also plugs in. So what I wanted to talk about with this video is, just because we have the cord that came with it that looks like this doesn't mean that we're limited to that. I would use this one just because it's designed for it. I like the design of the L right here, and it identifies it easier than these generic ones. But any USB-C port would work just fine for charging the Seestar. And this one is, again, the one that it came with. And you can plug it into a wall. You could plug it into the USB of a computer. You could use a battery pack that was charged. You could use a solar charger battery pack. You know, whatever it takes to get some power into the Seestar. So if you do have a problem with the cord, because sometimes they do get bad and they are compromised. This one, the wires themselves are plastic coated, so it would probably be fine. I don't know if it will focus in very well on that. Probably not great with the background, but those are coated wires, so it's not exposed copper wires or anything in there that are gonna probably cause a fire or anything. But that's not in great shape, and you do want to use things that are in good shape, because you don't want a short to happen and have it send a power surge into your Seestar and possibly damage the battery. But you know, this is what could happen with our Seestar cord, and so we don't have to worry. There are other options. So if something happens to your Seestar cord, you could just find one of these USB-C cords and it would work just fine. So that's just a little brief tutorial about charging our Seestar, not using the cable that came with it. Enjoy. Hope you have clear skies tonight Everybody get outside and take some images. Thanks for watching.